What is good, YouTube? Getting into episode 5 of backtesting my model. I believe we are on February. Yeah, February 4th. Starting here on a Tuesday, so just jump right into it. All right. 10 a.m. red folder. Trump speaks. 15 10 a.m. All right, so a lot of news this week. Always good to see that. Should set up to be pretty volatile. We've been kind of in this accumulation range for a little bit on NQ. ES, however, has been sweeping out levels, but in this scenario, we took out PDH. We have PDL here. I could definitely see us wanting to go lower, but I think this is going to be the gap that tells us what we do. This will be our range condition. Now we have a little bit of lows generated from this bullish 4-hour. Yeah, this is going to be a great condition. We've rebalanced this whole range here. If we want to violate this, we should run this high. If not, we're obviously just going to see continuations to this low. What the heck? Your sirens right outside my door. All right, so from this level, ideally, we shouldn't go any higher than this. This should be our high of day. We did put little equal highs up here, but we probably have a 30-minute. Yeah, violating this 30-minute will tell us the story that we probably want to at least go to London lows. Yeah, let's see what we can get here. Is that a Newsweek? 742. We do have 830, which didn't do anything. Or no, we have 10 a.m. this day. Okay, so as I said, this 4-hour condition gets violated. Now, obviously, that tells me that we most likely just want to run this high. Because of that, I would like to see 10 a.m. hopefully open into this 15 condition that we are creating and then get longs from it. Okay. So instead, 10 a.m. wicks takes that high. Don't love what we're doing here. I would not take this. Just too anti-trend. We already tagged the 5-minute. You don't really have a great key level. You're in a 4-hour, but what are you doing on ES? You're just kind of in a random spot. I'd be fine with taking no trades this day, just on how it's been. So, yeah, great fade. I will take this, though. I will definitely take this trade. Gotta wait for this 5-minute. That sucks. I doubt this is valid. Really weak closure. Yeah, I'll take this. Not the biggest fan of how we mitigated this low already, but this is a lot of LR. It looks like it's getting traded towards. Kind of a weak closure for sure through that, but just gonna go hop in here. I'm fine with this. Be looking for very simple 1-to-1 R. We also still have this 10 a.m. lowdown here as a magnet on price, just devil's mark on the hourly. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a shot. Just off 10 a.m.'s open, I think this PO3 is nice. I think this is enough liquidity that's generated, and then in this reaction through here tells me, okay, we shouldn't have to run the highs, but do I want to go break even here? I don't. We're about to open a 30-minute. This will be my break even. Wow. Oh, it's going to stop me out. This hurts to watch. Jesus, bro. That's crazy. Are you serious? That's just really bad delivery. I mean, you pump 250 points. You are lacking key levels. ES clearly needs to take out this high. That's the reason for it losing, but you would think that that 30-minute would get met. It just happened to not get met. So, yeah, it ends up getting hit right after, later, before ES even takes that high, which is pretty crazy. All right, Wednesday, February 5th, 8:15 red folder, 10 a.m. red folder. What the fuck am I looking at on a daily right now? Okay, this is hard to look at. I'm not gonna lie. From here, it's kind of just looking like this 4 hour is gonna be a con. I'm thinking ES needs to hit that high. Pretty much equal highs right here with a devil's mark on a daily chart as well. So yeah, I am gonna be fully bullish from here. Rejected that gap, held this 30-minute. Yeah, we have a decent amount of LR leading up towards what? Leading up towards our Asian session high. And then obviously your external buy side liquidity up here. I think this is solid. I'm gonna use this as some sort of POI. I would like to see ES just place through that. So let's just see. Market open gives a little pullback for ES, not NQ though. So creating what? Creating SMT here with the Asia high, but I don't think that's ultimately our DOL. We're gonna wait until 10. Um 10 a.m. data high. Doing what? Adding to the liquidity pools here. Now, this is definitely tricky because you need ES to reject from this 30-minute. Like you need a good level for the rejection here. No, SMT is crazy. Come on, give me an SMT, please. What are we doing? This is a pretty hard watch here. Just all of this is ridiculous. I can't lie. This is probably gonna work as well. I can't take it fading this idea here. We are setting up a ton of LR down here and kind of just adding towards all this LR that we already have. This would be a risky trade for sure. Like, I do think this high is confirmed, but I just don't see this high getting We'll set it up on the screen. I'm not gonna take this though. This is what the trade would look like. Something like this. Yeah, so it's just break even anyways. Yeah, it's a break even trade. Wow, this price action is just rough. Man, that sucks. I can't lie. Next day. Now we just gotta sit and watch these highs probably get took. So brutal. So brutal. Oh my god. Why can't we just get normal fucking delivery? Like, what is this, bro? What is at my stop? Is this SMT'd? It's not SMT. This getting hit would have been peak if it was SMT, but this is more than enough. I'm not gonna lie, we're rejecting super strong out of there. Tagging into this hourly, we have a bunch of highs here, which is SMT'd. Perfect scenario is just gonna be some sort of continuation off open, really. I need to just see ES. Yes, open lower. What the fuck are we doing right now? Why is ES not? Yeah, I already took that high. I guess, yeah. But why would we just trade all the way to it and not? This is what I want. This is exactly what I want. I want 10 a.m. to open just like this. With all of this highs generated. I don't really care about this low because it's SMT'd at the moment. Don't tell me we have 10 a.m. or 9:45. We don't. Okay, yeah. If we could get longs from here. Give me a CISD or something. Just something. Something to confirm this. Just a good candle closure. There it is. Okay. ES is in the 5-minute now. So we have our SMT in play. ES is actively trading in the 5-minute. Now from here, this is 100% the lowest we should go. We should not have to go any lower than this. Yep, that's not equal. We have the SMT here. We did generate a few lows, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to just patiently wait for this to get inverted. Oh my god, this is free as fuck. This is a trade for sure. This should be a breakaway. I'm going to put the stop real tight here. Pretty simple. Just simply looking for this high. Is this some sort of overnight? It is overnight. Nice. Yeah, so we'll go break even there. I wish we could have just got better closures down there, but I still love this trade idea. Basically, idea here is going to be what? Pretty bullish. Swept out these lows, souped them. This is the continuation spot. ES comes down, mitigates it. We get a slow but sure reaction. Good candles through here. Looking like this 5 minutes going to get violated, hopefully. The only way this loses, I would say, is if ES happens to just be in continuation shorts and this 4-hour does not need to be met, which I would be very surprised if we don't hit this 4-hour. So yeah, just going to look for 1R. Do I want to break even here? I feel like ES is extremely bullish. Now there's a chance we want to go back to my stop, but what is going to be opening at a threat for my stop? Really nothing. We just have some liquidity down here, but I think I'm going to hold this. 5 minutes violate. Yeah, we're gonna hold this. I'll break even here. This should fucking go. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, I'm pretty surprised though. That's really weird. I mean, I guess break even did save me, but I mean, why did ES not run that high? There's no way we don't. I would assume we want to meet that high, that objective. Wow, we're just gonna go rip it now. That's crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, bro, this day is whack. Could this be it? Yeah, just watch ES take the 4 hour really. Where's ES? Yep. My god. This week's PA is just it's slow. It's as slow as it can get, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck. I really thought that would have been a win, but it was not. February 7th, 8:30 and 10 a.m. Okay. We're obviously still bullish. We're on a complete buy program towards this high. We have a bunch of liquidity generated through. Actually, no, that's yesterday. This is all SMT'd. Okay, that changes things. So now we're just in a basic continuation from what? From this low. I would assume this low will stay protected. Yeah, this looks pretty damn protected. Took out some sell side. Is there some sort of continuation framework we can find here? Yeah, it would probably be sweeping this low or something. Are you dead at? Oh my god, that's 10 a.m. I was about to say, I thought that was just a random candle. Okay, 10 a.m. I mean, it does what you think it's going to do. It just fucking completely sells off. That's wild. But I still want to see ES go lower. I don't think we need to go higher from here. No, bro, are you dead ass right now? This is rough. Four-hour mitigated. I mean, we have a 5-minute unfilled up here. I think I'm looking for probably this 2-minute inversion. Oh wait. That's the trade. Right there is a trade for sure. Let's look at key levels though. Okay, so you got ES with this level down here still, NQ with all these levels. I think I'd rather, in this scenario, I'm noticing that, look at how we're delivering higher. And we're stair stepping, which ES also has lows below, NQ has some final lows below. I would like to see cons from that 5-minute right here. Okay, this is peak. This is peak. 15, 5-minute SMT'd. Yes, we are taking this. This is a good trade. Really good setup here. 3-minute. I mean, it's not really the greatest SMT. It's really not, but I'm really kind of basing this off the 5-minute and all that. So I like the lows leading up towards that. I'm gonna hop in here, hoping 1045 doesn't stop me out. Wow. Oh, bro, you can't actually be serious, right? Oh my god. Oh my goodness, bro. mean, this is the reality of trading. This video is literally the reality of trading. Okay. I mean, in this scenario, what is it? Like, really, what is the issue with this? I don't see a problem with this setup. I think this is a great setup, great DOL. What market wanted is what it gave. I just got completely cooked by that. That is actually insane, I'm not gonna lie. Are we dead ass, bro? Are we actually serious? Next day. Wow. Well, statistic must rebalance. What is price doing? Rejecting from this low, pushing higher. We do have this, however. I actually think this 4 hour is a pretty high probability draw. Especially after this hourly gap tap. Yeah, that's peak. Okay, so what do we have here? We have liquidity leading up towards what? A 4 hour gap. We have stop loss in this scenario would be protected from this hourly sweep. You have an hourly ITL right here. Now, that's really guarding nothing. Yeah, I want shorts 1000% here. I'm going to mark this up too just because it's pretty obvious. All right, if we can get the reaction from here, I would love that. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, sir. I am taking this every single day of the week. Triple equal lows here. Oh my gosh. I mean, bro, if this loses, ES is kind of already in no man's land down here, but I like this setup. I don't think it gets much better than this. Kind of shooting for the moon here to this 4 hour, but I will, if ES takes out this London low, I'll scale majority. Knowing price lately, it's just gonna stop me out probably. So wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Holy fuck. I'm actually taken back by this. Wow. Okay, well there goes a statistic. 3 losses straight. And honestly, I'm fine with all of these losses. I think they're good L's. I think these are great losses actually. I mean this I'm just kind of took back by the fact that these are losing. And then it keeps running my fucking DOL right after. That's the most annoying part. This range is just rough. My god. Dude. This is pissing me off. I can't lie. I don't know why I keep fucking losing. 30 minutes opening. Never mind. 15 minutes is opening. And we're just gonna fucking rip without tagging the 4 hour. It's fire. I might just skip until I'm out of this fucking range. There's 10 a.m. SMT inside of a gap. With what with a 1 minute gap here. This is rough. Just skipping this. I'm good. Yeah, it's just, I think this is causing all the choppiness. The fact that you sweep out such a prominent high, such a prominent low. Because then from here, what are we doing? We look completely lost. Just generating highs, doing whatever the fuck we feel like. I feel like this low might not even get hit. Like, it looks like it's going to get hit, but this range has been crazy. I could totally see this flipping and running higher. I would really expect this to get mitigated. But I mean, fuck, this is bullish. This is a pretty bullish move. All right, so what does market show me? Market shows me we wanted to mitigate this low originally, but then we wake up completely. We have a data high that's lodged up here with these highs, and now we have two conditions being our 15-minute, which would be our cont condition, and our hourly that are about to open here. So I want to see how 10 a.m. opens. I would love, like, dream scenario would be like this, and then longs, because I would hold. What's this range look like? This is 50%, but bro, this range looks peak. Oh my god. Get me in this. This is a great setup. This is exactly what I wanted to see, but even better, because now you have a break-even spot. Yeah, this is a great setup. I'm taking this 100%. Okay, I like that close. Do I want to break even here? We have not mitigated that gap. I mean, where's ES close on that 4 hour? ES does close bearish, and it's like that did mitigate. I'll go break even here. Oh my god, please just run. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. This is amazing. Let's see if this plays out. Fucking 6R. Gets you a break even. Oh my gosh. Wow, this would have printed. Would it? Yep. Yo, that's crazy. That would have actually printed. Damn. I mean, fuck. I can't be mad with 2R. We just made back both those last two L's and some, so thank God. That was a great setup. Thursday, February 13th, 8:30. This will be the last day I do of this session. Yeah, only 8:30 red folder news. So once again, I'm going to be more bullish here. Just the fact that we ended up holding this, I'm going to see this as a 2022 model where we sweep the low, violate bearish, and just get a super, super deep retrace. I'm going to see this as a sharp continuation up to this high. Because that's really all I can see right now. We're holding the 4-hour internal, sweeping out these lows, getting good reactions. We look bullish. And yeah, brother, like I'm definitely not taking shorts here. Just off the violation, you can just tell these candles are strong. Turtle soup this low. Oh no, it's not. Oh, we have another data high. Okay. Yeah, this is a pretty self-explanatory day. I literally just want to see 9:30 open, then get highs or longs from some sort of gap, really anything. No. Oh my god. Does this low need to get mitigated? It really doesn't. If we respect this, if we start pushing through this low, then we're cooked. No shot we get a caught. Oh my god. This is brutal. This isn't equal, right? It's not. Let me see what we're looking like. The only thing here is I don't see rejection. Like, I see the hourly rejection, of course, but I just don't know. This to me looks protected as fuck. This low sweeps out that sell side. This low sweeps out that sell side. I'd rather wait for a long. We have an hourly gap opening at my stop here, but I really don't see 10 a.m. coming down and taking that. My fill would have been here. Is that, bro? Like, I would have took this 4-minute if the close is here. It's just I don't want to fuck my hour up because I do need to take advantage of the stop here. I'm taking this normal 4-minute close. This shit could lose anyways. Like, I literally saw it go 1 point higher. Stop loss in this scenario is going to be what? It's going to be, I don't want. Here's the thing. If we come that low, we're just going to mitigate this hourly. So, yeah, I'll run a tighter stop here just to squeeze out R on this trade. That's what I'm concerned with. So, I am really hoping that. No, let me just, bro, I need to keep going in with my full size. I'll go 0.8 on this. Like, I just do see, I could see this hourly being a threat, this LR being a threat, 100%. We don't have 10 a.m. news. The thing I'm really paying attention to here is what is 10 a.m. opening as a threat? It's not opening much, really anything at your stop loss as a threat. You have protected low, protected low, protected low from this 15-minute continuation framework. You really just have a weak delivery, which is not that weak. It is just very small hesitation. So, yeah, I'm going to take this 4-minute. Beautiful. Beautiful, brother. Please, God, just go tag this high. Don't do me dirt. If you do me bad, oh my God. Son. Oh my God, you can't make this up. Do I even want to hop in this bullshit again, bro? This is just a classic 5-minute con. Maybe I shouldn't have even broke even there. Is your stop protected? And bro, it looks pretty damn protected. And these are like pretty good candles. Yeah, dude, I'm hopping back in this shit. Same risk. CE mitigated. Yep, I'll go stop there. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Same thing. Like, on psych wise, yes, this would suck. This would completely suck for this to come back and stop you out. But especially after you get in a trade like that. The thing is, you come up, 10 a.m. does what? 10 a.m. opens, edges your buy side liquidity. We get our push lower into the unfilled 5-minute. We get the continuation reaction. Yeah, I'm going to take this and just, I feel like this should work. Banger. Banger. Probably shouldn't have broke even in the first place, to be fair, but you know, I'm choppy day. Interesting delivery to say the least, but all right. Finished it strong. Went 2-2 on this session. Or did I take this loss this session? What was this L? What the fuck was this? Oh yeah, this was the first day's loss. This was a great trade though. No, this was actually avoidable. This was a trade where we had buy side above still on both assets. Yeah, I kind of just mechanically trading that short. It wasn't really aligned higher time frame, but hmm, yeah, I mean, overall though, for how the range has been, like, brother, look at this barcode. This is rough. This is hard to trade for sure. You're not really taking any significant highs or lows, so yeah, we're just gonna go to analytics here. Down to a 73. Brutal, 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 brutal. We took 3 losses, 2 wins that session. But I do think we pretty much ended break even. So February is pretty break even at the moment, which sucks. But yeah, peace.